What's up, guys? Crypto Moses 007 ready to rock and roll with a brand new video, and today we're going to talk about the Injective Protocol. That's right, Injective Protocol. What is it? Well, Injective Protocol describes itself as the first layer 2 DEX that unlocks the full potential of decentralized derivatives and borderless DeFi. The Injective Chain is implemented as a Cosmos SDK module built with Ethermint EVM on Tendermint. It utilizes a Tendermint-based Proof-of-Stake, facilitate cross-chain derivatives, trading across Cosmos, Ethereum, and many other layer 1 protocols. In addition, the protocol is collision resistant and utilizes verifiable delay functions to prevent front running. Now, how does the protocol work? INJ is the token utilized in Injective and was launched via a public offering in 2020, becoming the first project backed by Binance Labs to debut on Binance Launchpad. The use cases intended for INJ include, but are not limited to, protocol governance, exchange fee value capture, derivatives, collateralization, liquidity mining, and staking. The Injective platform enables users to take part in decentralized cross-chain derivatives trading with zero gas fees, while also being able to access cross-chain yield generation for a multitude of assets. Due to how the platform is governed by a DAO structure, Injective enables everyone to create and trade on any derivative market with only a price feed, thereby opening up more opportunities for trading on markets not found on other exchanges. Now, again, layer 2 decentralized derivatives trading is what you need for fast trading speed and zero gas fees. Okay, this is extremely important when you're trading DeFi. All right, now moving on to its actual platform. As you guys can see, there is a website, and it does go into more detail about what it does and its different features. Alright, so if you guys ever have the time, I would definitely go and check out the website. I'll put the link in the description, not a problem. Again, very informative for any developer who is looking to add their protocol onto the Injective Protocol blockchain. Now, let's go and check out its exchange. If you guys actually click on the link in the description, you guys can actually exchange today and get a free 100,000 USDT offer. Okay, once you connect your wallet, you'll be able to receive 100,000 USDT into your wallet, again for trading purpose only. No, you're not able to withdraw this cash or this token into a I guess external wallet for now, but hey, who knows? Let's see what happens in the future. For now, like I said, guys, you're able to trade, and it's a very interesting platform. I'm sure it's going to launch where you'll be able to do a lot more on this platform, and only time will tell, guys. I've actually started just playing around with it myself. I'm sure you guys want to see what it looks like. So what you do is you would find the token that you want to buy or exchange, and you can use your money here and make orders right on here, right on this decentralized platform, guys. So like I said, very easy to use. Again, go check out their social media. They'll probably update you guys on new protocols and news, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you soon. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like button. If you have any comments, any questions about Injective Protocol, definitely let me know. Don't forget to check it out on any of the DeFi exchanges, because you never know, this coin could take off 100x, guys. So definitely check that out. We're gonna definitely keep you updated with this protocol and up with this project, because I think there's going to be a lot of projects in the financial sector using the Injective Protocol. So we'll definitely keep up with that. I just saw that learn link. That's pretty cool. So let's see how to use INJ on SushiSwap. You guys might want to check out these different articles because it's again, the more knowledge you guys can get on these different protocols, the easier life will be in the crypto space as time goes on. I mean, the ecosystem's really big and there's a lot of different projects, but one day at a time, guys. So thanks again for watching. Have a wonderful night. See you later. Bye.